Most days, losing the last 10 pounds isn't about pushing harder. It's about keeping my calm. More so, protecting my calm. The goal is reliability, not perfection. I prep 2 meals at once, lunch and dinner, so my decisions later are effortless.
I can make a heart out of this. Ready?
Repetition is the key. The more I repeat this system, the calmer my day feels. Good job cleaning that by yourself, Bertie.
Mommy. So, I'll keep making smiley faces.
I move my body to support the system, not to chase results.
I'm happy we're going on a walk.
Good.
We normally go the other way, right?
You talking?
Yeah.
Two meals done equals a calm evening. This is the system that removes resistance. Consistency is what changes your day. The goal is reliability, not perfection.
Oh, Michael. I don't want to hear.
When meals are ready ahead of time, evenings are calm and effortless.
Kinsley, you want to eat?
I eat more vegetables than most people would expect. They fill me up and keep me energized. Cardio and lightweight training support the system. Movement isn't about punishment, it's about flow. Little repeated actions, prepping, moving, organizing, create momentum without stress. This rhythm keeps my home calm and my routine effortless, even with little ones around.
I like vegan cheese with pepperoni and olives on pizza. And also I like when my teacher, Miss Jennifer, made me it was kind of like a grilled cheese when cheese bread, chicken and cheese on it, and it was good. And then there was this pasta. Thank you. Mom, but how much cheese should we do?
This is the rhythm that keeps my day calm, my decisions easy, and my progress steady. I hope this routine helps you feel the same.